Hello kitty friends! Join the ultimate animal adventure where wild, desert, zoo and farm animals come together to play in the Muddy Kids Sandbox. This exciting experience is perfect for your explorers who love animals, messy play and learning through fun activities. Meet and play with a variety of wild animals such as lions, elephants, and giraffes. Dive right in. Exploring the allure of cat. Cats have been entrancing humans for thousands of years, from the tufts of their ears to the swish of their tails. It's hard for us humans to ignore the mystery and beauty of cats. House cats share 95.6% of their genetic makeup with tigers. The quirky charm of the llama. Llamas were first domesticated and used as pack animals 4,000 to 5,000 years ago in the Peruvian highlands. Llamas can grow as much as 6 feet tall, through the average llama between 5 feet 6 inches. Unveiling the hyena habitat. As cursorial hunters, hyenas run down their prey to exhaustion, cruising at speeds of 37 mph 60 km, unveiling the hyena habitat. As cursorial hunters, hyenas run down their prey to exhaustion, cruising at speeds of 37 mph. In the paw prints of pandas. Pandas are native to central China and can be found in the mountainous regions, particularly in Sichuan, Shaanxi and Gansu provinces. Pandas are easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white fur with black patches around their eyes. On the trail of the Puma. Pumas are found in various habitats throughout North and South America, ranging from forest and mountains to desert and swamps. Pumas have slender bodies, short fur, and a long tail. They are tawny or grayish in color with lighter underparts. The graceful guardians of the donkey. On average, donkeys can live for 25 to 30 years, although some may live even longer with proper care. Donkeys are known for their hardness and ability to adapt to different environments. They can thrive in arid regions and are often used in agriculture in such areas. The camel's role in arid ecosystems. Camels have been domesticated for thousands of years and have played a critical role in the economies of many societies. They are used for transportation, carrying goods, and providing milk and meat. Camels have a remarkable ability to find their way. The spellbinding world of polar bears. Polar bears are particularly vulnerable to climate change because they rely on sea ice to hunt for seals. The reduction in Arctic sea ice due to global warming poses a significant threat to their population. The primary diet of polar bears is seals. Discovering the beauty of sheep. Sheep have cloven hooves, meaning their hooves are divided into two parts. Proper hoof care is essential for their well-being. They have a four-chambered stomach that allows them to digest fibrous plant material efficiently. A portrait of wolves in nature. Wolves have played significant roles in various cultures and mythologies. They are often symbolic of freedom, loyalty, and strength. However, negative stereotypes have also contributed to their persecution in some regions. Discovering hippopotamus in habitat. Despite their massive size, hippos are herbivores. Hippos communicate with each other through a series of vocalizations, including grunts and wheezes. And they live in groups called pods or bloods, and they are highly territorial and aggressive animals. The amazing journeys of reindeer. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are known as caribou. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, making them unique among deer species. The antlers of males tend to be larger. Tales from the world of Rhinoceros. There are 5 existing species of rhinoceros: white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. The white rhinoceros is the largest species. Unveiling the next crowned beast, lion. Lions are found in parts of Africa, and a small population exists in the Gir Forest National Park in India. They typically inhabit grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Lions are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates like wild beasts. Encounter the big elephants. Elephants inhabit a range of environments, including savannas, forest, and grassland. They are found in various countries in Africa and Asia, with specific species adapted to different climates and habitats. African and Asian elephants are endangered. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats are hardy animals that can adapt to a variety of climates and terrains. They are often found in diverse environments, from mountains to deserts. The gestation period for a goat is approximately 150 days. Female goats are called does. The life and times of tigers. Tigers are easily recognizable by their distinctive orange coat with black stripes. The pattern of stripes is unique to each individual, and their undersides are white. Tigers are territorial animals, and the size of their territory can vary based on factors. Your next animal adventure is bull. In some cultures, bullfighting is a traditional sport, particularly in Spain. Bulls are known for their sometimes aggressive behavior, especially during mating season or when they feel threatened. A bull is an adult male cattle. Spotlight on cows begins now. Cows are social animals and often form close bonds with other members of their herd. They can become stressed if they are separated from their companions. Cows are ruminants, which means they have a four-chambered stomach and can regurgitate their food. Cows communicate with each other through various vocalizations. Insights into the lives of dogs. Dogs come in a wide range of sizes, from the tiny Chihuahua to the giant Great Dane. The smallest dog ever recorded was a Yorkshire Terrier, weighing just 4 ounces. From solid color to spots, stripes, and brindles. A visual safari into the zebra's domain. There are 3 species of zebras, and each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, similar to human fingerprints. The black and white stripes are thought to act as a form of camouflage in the grassland. Confusing predators such as lions and hyenas, zebras are found in various habitats, from grassland and savannas to mountains. The silent language of camel. Contrary to popular belief, a camel's hump is not filled with water. Instead, it stores fat, which can be converted into energy and water when needed. The hump shrinks and becomes flaccid as the camel uses up its fat stores. Camels are often associated with nomadic cultures as they have been used as pack animals for centuries. Grateful for your time given to watching wild, desert, zoo and farm animals playing adventure in the Muddy Kids Sandbox episode. Subscribe now for an unforgettable adventure where wild, desert, zoo and farm animals come together in the Muddy Kids Sandbox. Let's explore, play and learn together in this exciting and educational journey. Stay anticipated for more muddy adventures. Bye for now, mini explorers!